Hello guys, in this specific video today, I'm basically tell you guys, not tell you, I'm basically break down to you guys how to get free traffic from basically Facebook group 24/7. Yes, for you to get free traffic every single day on Facebook group. Now, I'm not gonna be hyping about this new website, but hey, listen guys, if you want free traffic to whatever niche, whatever blog, CPA, whatever niche you're in, this information I'm about to show you guys is very, very important. So make sure you stay tuned and watch it till the end. Well, I basically break down to you guys how to get free traffic on Facebook group every single day. Now, if you want to learn more about me and my businesses and business opportunities I'm in, and how you can basically join and all that good stuff, make sure you check down in the description. Also, make sure you go to my website mentorwiththebuja.com to learn more about me. Till the intro, man. So guys, as you can see right now, this app, not the app, I mean the website is called Pilot Poster. Now this website, in my opinion, is a fantastic website to basically dominate Facebook group. Now just imagine, man, I wish Instagram has groups where you can basically, like Facebook, you can basically join groups and basically, oh my god, that would be a dream come true, man. I would love that so much. If Instagram has groups where you can basically join and basically interact and basically get a bunch of leads for your business, and also get to network people too. But let's jump into this, man. So as you can see right now, this is my ad right here. How does an extra $500 for this month. If you're good at promoting name brand and company. Commission base, commission. Let's see if it's commission base. Inbox me or comment how. Now this right here is a good ad because people love what? People love this word right here. People love to see anything that has to do with products. Especially products, brand products, because they love that. Now, I'm not here to basically brag or anything like that. I'm just basically here to give you guys some real value also, as I always do. But guys, let's jump into this, man. So, what you want to do when you get on this website, if you're going to be posting on groups, my tip is this. If you're going to be posting on groups, don't be posting on 50 groups, 40 groups, 30 groups at one time. No, that's not good. Facebook will basically figure out that you're using some kind of poster or something to basically be sending out posts to different groups. So don't be doing that. Instead do this, man. Let me see this. I'm also be posting this on my timeline because I want this to be on my timeline too. So guys, look at this. So let's come do this. So as you guys can see right now, I've already did all that. I've already checked everything. Now the second thing I'm going to be doing is this. I am going to be make sure I schedule this post, because this post right here, we're going to make sure we put this at a long interval. So what is an interval? Interval is basically in between posts. Like how long do you want to basically take for you to basically send another post to a different group. So guys, let me just basically, my computer is slow right now. I don't know if my computer is even gonna let me do this, but my computer be acting really slow nowadays. Look at that, it's slow, man. I gotta clean up this computer. I don't know. Alright, as you guys can see, oh man, come on, man. Okay, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of intervals you can choose. Now I don't know how Okay, let's can divide that. Let's see 1,000. Because I want to see how much minutes is that. 1,600 divided by 60. So that's about 26 minutes in between. Now, let's say that's basically a lot of hours. That's a lot of hours that are gonna take, and we don't want that to take that long. We want it to be about, let's see, let's do 900 divided by 60. Let's see if we get 15 minutes. Now we want to basically put this in 600 divided by 600. We're going to do 600 divided by 60. 600 divided by 60. Let's see. That's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, in my opinion, is a fantastic. Yeah, 10 minutes. We want it to be in 10 minutes. We want it to be 10 minutes. 10 minutes is good because 10 minutes is basically a great type of separation from different time. And also, let's say I'm going to schedule this post right here. So guys, let me show you guys how easy this is. So look at basically the scheduled post I'm about to do right now. You can see right now the current server time. Look at the current server time. It's 9:25. Now, if I'm going to be sending out this post, I want to make sure it matches that time right there. Now I'm going to be scheduling this post right here, and that's really important. Now let's see. But okay, I don't know why that's not working. But the calendar has to work though. The calendar is not working. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why it's glitching, but it used to work. Come on, man. My computer is really slow now. I don't know, cause I'm using what is that? That's So we're gonna be doing it tonight. Now, at the time period, we want to basically make sure that it's so right now it's 9, right? So we're gonna be doing it 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So we're gonna make sure we do it at 1. Let's see. So if I want to basically post this right now, so the current time is gonna be, so that's 5. Okay, that's 5, right? That's, oh, no wonder why. That's 5. So the current server time right now, that's the current server time. But we want to make sure it's matches that. So guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna basically do this at, so let's see, it is, so if it's 7 my time right now, I want it to be at 7. Let's see, so we're gonna basically do this at, we're gonna do it, so 9, 10, 11. So we're gonna do this. So that's the time we're going to be doing it. We're going to be doing it at 11. Is that 11? 11:26. Now 11:26, people are going to be sleeping. Now this right here is a good ad. Now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do it, but I want to make sure it's basically at that time. But I'm still thinking about if I should put it at time, because people usually sleeping at that time. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put it at 7. Because I want to put it at 7. I want to be able to put it at 7, 7:20, 7:25. I want to start at that time. Now this is where basically the difficulty is basically how to do this. Some people just don't know how to do this. Now this right here is basically you're telling the app auto pause after after how many posts. This is basically after how many posts, you'll be like pausing. Now you're gonna have this going on for about every 5 posts. You're gonna be pause. Now we're gonna make sure it's in minutes. Now we're gonna put this at 5 minutes. After every 5 minutes, after every 5 posts, the software is gonna pause and it's gonna continue again. Now this right here is a great strategy, because why? You don't want Facebook to figure out you're using some kind of software to basically send out posts every. So right here, so it's already scheduled. Now right here, what I'm going to do is this. So this right here, the time right here. Hold on. Okay, that's 7. That's the time right now, 7. But the current server, because current server time. But we don't want that. We just want that. So, oh, the post interval is right here. Oh, the post interval. We want to make sure it's 10 minutes. So that's basically the post interval. The post interval is basically every 10 minutes. Now that's great. If you're gonna be posting on groups, you gotta make sure it's like that. But guys, I'm gonna be scheduling this post, and we're gonna be basically done with this video, because basically that's all I gotta show you guys. I just want to show you guys this tool right here that basically dominates Facebook groups. Now once you're done, now if you want, you can basically repeat this frequency every day, every week, every 2 days, every 3 days. Now this right here works. Let me show you guys. It's gonna be basically sending out posts. But listen, as you can see right here, I can just, let me show you guys how it works. So I'm just gonna be like, boom. Okay, I gotta save the post first. I gotta fly right there. So the post is already saved. Post title. Want it to be like I'm gonna be like post title. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it 7 p.m. 7 p.m. ad. Now this right here is gonna work perfect. Post title, it's already saved, successful. Now it's gonna close that. Now what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna go all the way down here, and we're gonna schedule the post because it's already saved. Boom. Now if you go right here, you gotta you tap that. Once you tap that, it should have like three options. And right here, you gotta schedule posts. Schedule posts is where basically it has all the posts you already scheduled. Now I think I already have one post scheduled right now. Now this right here, this post right here I already scheduled. It's supposed to go out at 7:25. Now at 7:25, it's gonna start by sending out. It's gonna be sending out this what is it? It's gonna be sending out the post to different groups, as you guys can see right here. Now, what I could do is this. What? Now, there's something I cannot do. I don't know why. But guys, let me show you guys. See right here? It already start sending. That's already one already start going. Now let's view it. And we're gonna view this right here. We're gonna basically view and see how it is right now. Now this right here should already be on my profile. Now if you go to my profile right now, there should be a post. There should be a post right now on my profile. There should be a post right now on my profile. I basically tell people. Basically my post I just post. Let me show you guys. I'll show you guys how good the tool is. See that? See that? See right there? I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big old thing right there. I mean my ad right here. I just sent on my profile. As you can see right there, I just did it, guys, and it works perfect. No nothing. It just worked perfect. And if you basically want to try this product right here, now this website, I'm gonna be leaving a link in the description. So till next time, man, make sure you stay tuned. And as I always do, I'll make sure I always bring out good, valuable content for you guys to basically go out and try out and see how it works for you. But this right here works great for me, and I hope you basically get to enjoy it. Like this video as always, and make sure you stay tuned, man. Till next time, man. I hope this video is very valuable. As I always say, make sure you act like a millionaire. Make sure you think like a millionaire, act broke. Till next time, man. I'm out of here. Peace.
Feelings, man, I feel just like a rock star.